In this video, I'm going to show you how to create this card using a baby wipe technique. This is a new stamp set from our new catalog called Leave a Little Sparkle, and I love it because the unicorns are so pretty and I really love the sayings. So for this card, I'm going to start with a baby wipe in one of our cases, and I've already started putting some colors down. I've got Lovely Lipstick, Pumpkin Pie, Pineapple Punch, and Call Me Clover. Now I'm gonna do Blueberry Bushel, and last of all, Gorgeous Grape. So basically I'm creating kind of my own ink pad. So now I'm going to take the unicorn stamp and I'm going to ink it up. And then place it on my card. And that's what gives you the rainbow unicorn. Simple, right? So now I'm going to add some stars. And I'm going to add some red and orange stars. And then some orange and yellow stars. Some yellow and green stars. And some green and blue stars. And last, some purple and blue stars. Then I'm going to stamp the sentiment in Gorgeous Grape. And layer it on some Gorgeous Grape. And then layer it on some Rococo Rose with dimensionals. And that creates our rainbow unicorn card using a baby wipe technique. I hope you've enjoyed watching this video. Please go to my website, eStampin.com, to order the products you've seen in this video. Thanks so much for watching.